Go. Welcome, 643 Box Breaks. This is Ask Piper and Tom Shepker. This is Bowman Sterling Mini Box Break number 4. And we've got our list of winners here. We've got Tidwell 34 with the Diamondbacks, Crow with both the Braves and the Orioles, Mike with the Red Sox, Flyers with the Cubs, Tidwell with the White Sox, Hammer with the Reds, let's see here, 46/8 with the Indians, Tidwell with the Rockies, Von Jaren with the Detroit Tigers, Sutterfuge with the Astros, Casualty with the Royals, Tidwell with the Angels, Greek 22 Hockey with the Dodgers, and the Hammer, welcome new eBay bidder again, with the Marlins, Von Jaren with the Brewers, Hammer with the Twins, Flyers with the Mets, Yanks go to Mike, A's is Casualty, Hammer has the Phillies, Tidwell has the Pirates, Sutterfuge has the Padres, Casualty has the Giants, Mariners are with 46/8, Tidwell has the Cardinals, Hammer has the Rays, Von Jaren has the Rangers, excuse me, wow, I'm tired tonight. Blue Jays is Crow, and 46/8 has the Nationals. So, we have our Bowman Sterling Mini Box. This has been number 4. It is still sealed. There is no serial number on this product, as you've probably discovered at this point. Let's go ahead and rip this bad boy up. Yep. Alright, our first card is a rookie card for the Seattle Mariners in 46/8. It is a Dustin Ackley rookie card. No number on the rookie cards. Our second card is for the Toronto Blue Jays and Crowlicious, Travis d'Arnaud. There we go, over a little bit today, TJ. This is a Future Stars card, unnumbered today. Our third card is for... No, okay, there we go. Texas Rangers. And that will be with Von Jaren. Jack Scully, auto card, no number. Our next card is another auto for the San Francisco Giants, and Casualty. Joe Panik makes another appearance in my break. Unnumbered. And our last card of the night is the Mem card, a white jersey watch, excuse me, for Tidwell 34 and the Los Angeles Angels of Anaheim. It is Tyler Chatwood. Rookie card swatch, white swatch, one color. No number on this one either. And Mike got shut out, and I don't believe that we had any double hits. No, so we don't have any 643 double play bonus. Next, what I do have is the 2 bonus cards. We have the Bubba Starling Crystal Refractor Prospect Ticket from 2011 Contenders, and we'll do that one first. I'm going to roll the die here. And it is a number 3. And that will go to Crowlicious. Crowlicious gets the Starling. Congratulations, Crow. And now we have the Forest Snow Sweet Signs. These are nice cards. Not real baseball, I'm told. Number 68 of 99. The Starling was 154 of 299, if that focuses in. In any case, here we go for the Forest Snow Auto. That has landed on a number 15. And that will go to Hammer 3080. Congratulations, Hammer. New eBay better. Alright guys, and that just about does it. Just would like to mention, you know, if you come over and you buy from the 643 auction site, we do it a little cheaper than on eBay for my eBay bidders. And starting with the next break on all of my auctions, we've got a slightly restructured bonus schedule or bonus thing. And what we'll be doing is taking 3 people or 3 bidders from each break. And once we fill 30 slots, so 10 breaks, we will raffle off, or we'll give away this 2011 Just Miners Mystery Ball with card set, which is still sealed here. And we do have the bonus structure and pricing just rearranged slightly. It's 24 cents more a slot on 643, 25 cents more on eBay. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great night.